You should have seen the way that you bloom. I think I saw your face.
So last night I was craving sushi so bad, like, you know when you just get like that taste in your mouth. So I was like, kept feeling like I was tasting sushi, and I was like, oh my god, I want sushi. We went to Aldi today. Never give up on your dreams, kids.
It's been a while, been a while, been a while since I've seen your face, and it's been a while, been a while, been a while since I've known what to say. But it's getting nervous for getting words, and I speak in circles, trying to keep myself from saying, remember last year, messing around, we were so loud, and they'll try to kick us out, and I could never really lie to you, so I'm trying not to hide the truth. Oh, I've been dreaming, oh, I've been scheming, I hoped you'd be here. I hate that I love you. Ooh, ignore the history, I know you miss me. I hate to love me too. Ooh, yeah, I hate that I love you. I'm taking time, taking time, taking time.
Right, I'm having a, oh, I'm just eating cheese puffs. I'm having a cheese and cucumber sandwich. I have like refound, is that the right word? I don't know, been reunited with my love for cheese and cucumber sandwiches. I used to eat them a lot when I was in primary school, but obviously I haven't eaten them since. But so good. So I've also put some potato salad down and some cheese puffs. I'm not going to show you the plate though, because I know some people are dead weird about food touching. I feel like my cheese puffs are touching my potato salad, which I know is disgusting, but that doesn't faze me. So I'm gonna have this, and I think I'm gonna make an iced coffee with some cinnamon, because I haven't had this in ages. When lockdown like first started, I used to have this every single day. So I decided to make a proper coffee, because we have a coffee machine and I never use it, which is just a waste of money. So I made a proper coffee with my Oatly body star, and I put some cinnamon on top because I'm such a sucker for cinnamon. Which is so funny to think, like 3 years ago I hated cinnamon.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
What the hell happened there?
I don't know. I used to hate it, and then I've put it in my coffee till cocktails mug that I got from a charity shop. It is amazing. I love it. Sums me up. Coffee till cocktails.
Oh, something's different. Now I can't recognize myself. You turn me upside down.
Charlie has also acquired this little elephant that's actually mine from like my keychain for my keys and stuff, but he likes it so much, so I was like, you can have it. Charlie, come here. You got Ellie. She's so cute. So I'm gonna go make myself some food because I'm so hungry.
Fuck. Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
about 1 o'clock. We just got back from the shop to get my oat milk and stuff. Got some other stuff as well. So I'll just quickly show you. So I got this bread because I saw someone on YouTube talk about it, and I've never like heard anyone else talk about boots on YouTube, and it blew my mind. But it's this honey and sunflower sliced bread, and it looks really nice, so I thought it'd be nice on toast and stuff. Got these Tyrrell's veg crisps. The veg crisps are so good, but I got these ones with balsamic vinegar and sea salt because I love balsamic vinegar. Apparently they're new, so I'm gonna see what they taste like. They are vegetarian for anyone that is of that variety. Also, apologise if you can hear the washing machine in the background. I picked this up. It's a vegan roll and it was only £1, so I thought why not. I'm guessing it's gonna be like a sausage roll, maybe. We'll see. Got 2 of my trusty barista oat milks. It's so expensive, it annoys me so much, but heck no. And then I picked these up because it's really warm today and I'm about to do beer. So this is Timmerman's Pesh, which basically is tastes like peach beer, and there is a place in the town where I live which is called Tap and Bottle, and it used to be open and it's not anymore, but they sold like beers from like all over the world, and this was one of them, and it was so good. I got a bit obsessed, so I bought one of these. I've never seen anywhere else like sell it, so I thought, and then I picked up this Coffee Big Sweet Apple. This was only £2.50, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna try this. Sweet apple though, I haven't seen that flavour before, and that's all I got. I think that's all I got anyway. But yeah, so I haven't actually eaten. I just got ready and we went straight to the shop really. I think I'm gonna try this vegan roll though, and then I think I might make myself a sandwich because it's definitely lunchtime now. So I'm finally eating something. I get like this, I think, even way before lockdown, where like I just like don't know what to eat, so it takes me ages to think of a meal and I just like forget to eat basically. But yeah, so I've made a really mismatched lunch. So this is the bread I was talking about from Boots, where it's like the honey and seeded bread. It looks really nice. So I've just got green pesto on that with some fried onions, with garlic granules on it, paprika, and just some soy sauce. I love soy sauce on mushrooms. Then I got those balsamic vinegar vegetable crisps I was telling you about. I want to try them. And then I just got some olives because I love olives. Very strange lunch. Some people are probably going to be like, why have you got pesto on toast? But I have pesto with everything. It's probably quite a problem now. But I'm just going to eat this, watch some YouTube on my phone, and then I don't know, I might do some editing. But I'm just gonna eat this. There.
Never thought I'd be touching you, holding my breath cause I'm new to this. Taking my I see people watching, perfect hourglass timing. Good things come to those who wait. Silhouette looking cinematic. Yeah, I bet that you wish you had this. Bless me, I'm sicker than your average. So contagious. Nothing less, there's no contest. Yeah, you're good, but I confess, when it comes down to it, I just think I'd do it better. Like, I look so good, I think I wanna kiss myself. I look so good, I don't need anybody else. It feels so good when I just do it by myself. I look so good, I think I wanna kiss myself. I look so good, I don't need anybody else. It feels so good when I just do it by myself. I'm thirsty, drinking from the fountain of me, you see.
Good morning everyone, I'm in my new outfit. It is, oh morning, it's 1:10. I'm so hungry. I've eaten toast, smoothie, everything this morning, and I'm absolutely starving. So I'm just editing a video. Anyone that has iMovie or uses iMovie will know my pain when this lovely rainbow circle, where's the rainbow circle? Rainbow circle decides to appear because iMovie just basically crashes like all the time, and it does this and nothing can ever recover it, and then I have to basically restart my computer because it's so annoying that it does that. And I love that it's like really stuck on this picture of me where I'm just like why? So I'm trying to edit my weekly vlog, this one that I'm currently filming, so I can delete the clips off my camera because I've currently only got 4 minutes left on my memory card that I've just used a minute of talking. So, don't really know what we're doing today. Obviously we had the big day yesterday moving all this around, and I'm actually really tired. I think Tom's quite tired as well. I think Tom's a little bit hungover. So yeah, I don't really know what we're doing. Just watch RuPaul's Drag Race. Crystal Method finally won a challenge. I love her so much. I would love to see her win just because she's so different. Like, I know Evie won last year and she was like totally like the different character, but I just love Crystal Method, and RuPaul is obsessed with her, so kind of want her to win just so RuPaul can be obsessed. But I feel like it's edging more towards Gigi Good, if I'm being honest. I think I'm just going to restart this, try and edit as much as this as I can, and then I'm going to get some lunch. So I'm still in the same position I was last time, but I just got a lovely message that said your Miss Pat parcel has arrived. So yes, oh my god, I'm so excited. So I think this is my, jeez, everyone's out gardening today. I think this is my new dressing gown that says bride on it that I really wanted, because obviously bride, and I think I bought a top as well, but I'm going to open that later. I need to finish this video.
I'm worried about the way I've been living. I'm worried that you'll look at me different. I'm worried that this will all change. I'm worried about keeping you safe. I'm worried that I'm not that lucky. I'm worried that they never gon' love me.
Today is Sunday, last day of the weekly vlog. I'm gonna try my, I really thought there was someone in the courtyard and that really freaked me out because the bag's on top of the bin. I'm going to really try my best and edit it today and maybe upload it tomorrow, because then it'll be like the weekly thing. So yeah, I don't really know. Are we doing much today?
Well, we're tidying up and potentially painting a table.
We need to wash the table first though.
Yeah.
Yeah. Not a lot going on. I think we should paint this table.
Okay.
I think we should paint that white. This one here, which is obviously red.
So it's all match with that.
Yeah, I think if we paint that white, that would be nice.
Yeah, because all our furniture is predominantly white, isn't it?
Yeah. It's really warm, but I don't want to take this dressing gown off because it's so nice. I just got a delivery as well from Beauty Bay, so I might do my makeup later on. So yeah, I think first of all we are gonna, well, Tom's just tidying the kitchen, and I'll give it a bit of a tidy in here because it needs a bit of like a wipe down on the surfaces and stuff. And we need to do washing because we have a never-ending supply of washing going on.
It's been a while, been a while, been a while since I've seen your face, and it's been a while, been a while, been a while since I've known what to say. But it's getting nervous for getting words, and I speak in circles, trying to keep myself from saying, remember last year.
So it is rather late. It is 20 to 11, so I'm going to finish the vlog here now. I love this dressing gown. I feel like I look like someone out of Star Wars there at the moment. So I'm just watching this show called Never Have I Ever on Netflix, and I'm on episode 5. It's so good. I also finished Hollywood on Netflix. I only originally started watching it because it's got Darren Criss in it. But it was very, very good. The first episode is a bit weird, but after that it's really, really good. So I advise anyone to watch it, and the ending had me sobbing. Such like a heartfelt ending, loved it. And this Never Have I Ever is really good so far, so I would recommend watching this too. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog of my week and what I've been up to, and I might film another one this week, so if I do, watch out for that. But then other than that, I will see you on the next video. Bye guys!